Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be playing some more strucid. Last video I was practicing for Battle Royale, so here I am. Battle Royale. Wow, we only have 32 people. Okay. Gonna land over here, and I have a little glitch for you if you guys are like not good at the game and you want to earn a win. I have a trick to show you. Never mind, I accidentally jumped too early. So I'm just land over here. No, actually over there. Not gonna be that many people. Let me check behind me, no one. Okay. One guy over there. Come on, give me a weapon. No weapon. There's a chest. And minis. Okay, a shotgun. Right. Okay, okay. Now I just have shotgun, which isn't bad. Ooh, SMG. Hopefully no one landed here. That. Just break this. Semi-sniper, don't need it. Just straight out that. No, actually, I'm gonna take out the tactical rifle. Okay. I need to find a real weapon. A real AR. There's up. What the hell has happened to the house? Oh my god! This kid just good as aimbot. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a good game today. Hopefully. Okay, joining game. I'm gonna show you the glitch. It's not the speed glitch. It is over here. So I'm gonna jump now, and hopefully you can make it. Hopefully no one landing here. Got a weapon. Yeah. No, that's campfire. Why did I die? I have 2 campfires. Let's just use these. Put them in a box. Okay. We need a paper. No! I don't know which gun is better, the drum shotgun or the attack shotgun. Attack. Don't need it. I'm gonna take down. Just no. Oh, just attack person here. I'm taking AK. What is this? Another attack. Oh, just no. It's not just here, yeah. Hey, how did I lose HP? Did I drink the big paw? Or did I leave it upstairs? Okay. No, I didn't leave it upstairs. I think someone just shot me. I don't know. Leave match. Just no. What is this? Castle rifle and hunting rifle. Some heavy bullets. Okay, no heavy weapon. Oh yeah, these two are still here. Okay, oh man, storm is coming. Need to hurry up. No. Oh my god. So the glitch is that when you're flying, you just press U and look down. Then it just goes up. On the map, you can see where you're going. So that's technically the glitch. See how much height I got? Could go so high. But be careful, cause when you're coming down, like and you're like, if like the storm is fully closed, and the guy might be using like some meds or something, and you can't get down to use meds. So yeah. Can't go so high. You could, but probably not gonna be a good idea. God, there's so many people. I'm gonna put this in me. Do I have a launch pad? Do the glitch again. Aren't you going down? Down. Oh my god. got hit. Oh, screw you! I'm just go to the sky. I have 0 kills, but I just want to win. I never want to solo in strucid. I'm just stop now. See how high I got in the matter of like a couple of seconds. Yeah, I think I'm just chill like this. Trying to move around a little so no one snipes me with snipes straight up. I'm gonna go up. Okay, I'm gonna go back down. Check. I don't see anyone. Two people left. Can I win? When the next storm comes, I'm gonna stop. Going up. Okay, I'm done. Let's go down. I don't even have that good loot. One more guy left. I'm going down. Last guy. Doesn't see me. Oh my god. No! Look at him! Literally, he was 20 HP one minute. Oh my god. Okay, so, yeah, bye.